Let's shift focus and talk about the other stories, viewers, this morning. Because when we talk about Operation Tiger, when we speak of Telegram, rather, because this is something what we are now looking at, the verdict which is now been reserved, because we're just days away from the re-examination for NEET UG, and that's going to happen, the re-examination on the 21st of June, that is the coming Sunday. And the government is now going all out to ensure that there is free and fair examination process that is held. So one of the steps that has been taken was to restrict the access to Telegram till the day after the examination, that is the 22nd of June. Now, further, the government has also requested the application to restrict the message editing feature till by the end of the month, by the 30th of June. But questions have been raised over this move, and the battle is playing out in the courtroom. So the Delhi High Court, which has reserved its verdict, is expected to pronounce that today about 10:30 a.m. what is being said on this plea challenging the temporary ban on Telegram messaging platform. So the judgment, this move that was questioned by the High Court, the center was also questioned by the court about sweeping measures and whether it is a concrete move to ensure that the paper leaks do not take place. So if at all, when it comes to these measures that has been undertaken and how the government has been defending the ban that has been called in, what has now been said that the ban implemented right ahead of the NEET re-examination is set to continue till about the next day. And the center involved, Bhavtosh, good morning, defending the restriction, has pointed out to the existence of the Telegram channel with the concerns over features like edit options. Then there is also a challenging a ban, saying that this is not a situation which is of an emergency, suggesting that these are targeted restrictions that has been used instead of a complete ban.
Good morning, Amita. In fact, the hearing went on for 2 days, and there was also hearing that was, in fact, very dramatic turn of events that happened in the court, with Tushar Mehta day before yesterday claiming that he will make certain shocking revelation before the court. The affidavit, which was 129-page affidavit, was submitted in the High Court, in which there were certain allegations that were leveled against Telegram, saying that it was even used by terror outfit and also used for CSAM, which is child sexual abuse material, and going ahead and claiming that threat actors like use it for dark web, and also saying that financial crime actors use them continuously. But what was most shocking was the fact that they have said that NEET accused had used it continuously, despite government's effort to control it. Telegram platform allowed accused in this case to use Telegram as a medium to spread the question paper leak. But Telegram on its part had maintained that whenever the government had told them, they brought down all the URLs. But the High Court also made a very important submission. The High Court, in fact, said that why should the freedom or the expression of at least 150 million suffer just because the paper leak happened on Telegram? And it asked the government as to why all the people who are using Telegram should also suffer. The Attorney General also said that Telegram is now a Frankenstein, and also made a submission that this is a preventive measure that is being used. Yes. And once the exam papers are over, they will again restore the services.
All right, because what is being said that relying upon that very assessment, Bhavtosh continues to be with us, and Akansha will help us understand what happened in the court, because the government says that the app's architecture and privacy features have made it a preferred tool, especially for cyber criminals, fraud networks, extremist and terror groups, and operators which are involved in the examination paper leaks. Yes, Akansha.
Absolutely. An order on this is expected to come around 10:30 is what we're learning so far. Let me take you through the key observations that have been made by Delhi High Court. Observation number 1 is, can you ban application to curb one problem, that is a NEET re-examination? Can entire application be banned to address this one issue, is what the Delhi High Court has said on this, and that was observation number 2. Let's take you through more observation number 3. How can we stop the rights of other users when it comes to the NEET examination? How can app be banned just for one issue? Observation number 4, can we curtail rights of all the other users, is what the Delhi High Court has said. If one set is giving an examination, should others suffer? So that was the big observation that was made by the Delhi High Court, and now today the order is expected to come out on this at around 10:30.
Absolutely, because naturally the centre has come up prepared with its own defence, Akansha, and the centre has put forth point-by-point rebuttal to explain as to why they had no option but to fall back on its last resort. And this is to restrict the access to the application altogether because the center has made some serious claims in the Delhi High Court. Yes, Akansha.
Absolutely, and that was the key observation that has been made by the Delhi High Court. And let's now take you through the justification that has been made by the central government as well. Claim number one is Telegram has become the new dark web, and that is perhaps the reason why there is a ban on it. Telegram exploited for illegal activities, and just ahead of the NEET re-examination, that application has been banned. Claim number three, Telegram platform convenient for terror acts as well, because not just related to examination. In the past few years, we have seen several of the charge sheets of NIA also mentioning Telegram as well. And claim number four is application features can be used to spread leaked papers, and that is what we have seen when it comes to the NEET examination. Anonymity features hinder identification of criminals. Edit feature is what they have objected to. Telegram use as a platform for the malware operation as well. So these are the claims that have been made by the central government. Data privacy breach concern remains with Telegram, and this was the reason that they have decided to ban it.
Yes,
Telegram
because the union government has claimed before the Delhi High Court that the messaging platform Telegram was becoming the new dark web that was enabling illegal activities linking criminals. Thank you very much, Bhavtosh and Akansha, for joining in live. We'll be standing by when the verdict, which has been previously reserved by the Delhi High Court, is expected to be announced at 10:30 a.m. Back after a short break.